both of us. कब से? From when? From when? अब से? From now. From now. कुछ कहो. Say something. Say something. मुझे देखो. Look at me. Look at me. इसे किसने रखा? Who kept it? Who kept it? भरोसा रखो. Have faith. Have faith. ऊपर फेंको. Throw up. Throw up. दफा हो जाओ. Get lost. Get lost. इस बारे में सोचो. Think about it. Think about it. फिर से सोचो. Think again. Think again. मुझे पता है. I know. I know. गंभीर हो जाओ. Get serious. Get serious. धीरे कहो. Speak softly. Speak softly. कुछ करो. Do something. Do something. चलिए शुरू करते हैं. Let's begin. Let's begin. अभी बोलो. Speak now. Speak now. सबके पीछे. Behind all. Behind all. आसपास रहना. Be around. Be around. काम पर लगो. Get to work. Get to work. कोई भी. Anyone. Anyone. आसपास ही रहना. To stick around. To stick around. नीचे देखो. Look down. Look down. कम से कम. At least. At least. फिर मिलेंगे. See you again. See you again. इसे ले चलो. Carry this. Carry this. कोशिश करो. Try it. Try it. मुझे बताओ. Tell me. Tell me. जैसी आपकी मर्जी. As you please. As you please. कौन है वो? Who is he? Who is he? और अगर यहाँ किसी लड़की के लिए पूछा जाए तो आप यहाँ पे बोल सकते हैं Who is she? रोना मत. Don't cry. Don't cry. वह हंसी. She smiled. She smiled. आप भी. You too. You too. मुझे जाने दो. Let me go. Let me go. क्या बात है? What's the matter? What's the matter? हमेशा की तरह. As always. As always. इसे व्यवस्थित करें. Organize it. Organize it. मैंने कहा. I said. I said. यह समझ लो. Mind it. Mind it. ज्यादा कुछ नहीं. Nothing much. Nothing much. इसे मिटाओ. Erase it. Erase it. दाएं देखो. Look right. Look right. सोने जाओ. Go to sleep. Go to sleep. किसने कहा? Who said? Who said? शांत हो जाओ. Calm down. Calm down. इसे मत दोहराओ. Don't repeat it. Don't repeat it. इसे डांटो. Scold him. Scold him. इसे पकड़ो. Catch it. Catch it. इसे चखो. Taste it. Taste it. छोड़ो मुझे. Leave me. Leave me. इसे काटो. Cut it. Cut it. इसे धो दो. Wash it. Wash it. मैं गया. I went. I went. चुपचाप खड़े रहो. Stand still. Stand still. उसे विदा करो. See him off. See him off. कोई खास बात नहीं. Nothing special. Nothing special. जोर से बोलो. Speak up. Speak up. हमेशा की तरह. As always. As always. बहुत कम. Much less. Much less. इसे तय करो. Decide it. Decide it. अंदर ही रहना. Stay inside. Stay inside. हम सभी. All of us. All of us. इसे साफ करो. Clean it. Clean it. बस इतना ही. That's it. That's it. इसे दोहराओ. Repeat it. Repeat it. इसे मत दोहराओ. Don't repeat it. Don't repeat it. बाहर ही रहना. Stay outside. Stay outside. ऐसे दिन. Such days. सच से कोशिश करो. Try again. Try again. इसे लिख लो. Write down it. Write down it. ऐसे लोग. Such people. Such people. ही गया. He went to. He went to. किसी के साथ. With someone. With someone. बैठ जाओ. Sit down. Sit down. Tomorrow. Why? Tomorrow. जाओ और मिलो. Go and meet. Go and meet. ऊपर जाओ. Go up. Go up. अच्छा विचार. Good idea. Good idea. कौन गया? Who went? Who went? अकेले जाओ. Go alone. Go alone. बिल्कुल नहीं. Not at all. Not at all. यह अच्छा है. It's nice. It's nice. कल से सीखो. Learn from tomorrow. Learn from tomorrow. एक बार और. Once more. Once more. फिर से पढ़ो. Read again. Read again. मेरी मदद करो. Help me. Help me. मैं जा रहा हूँ. I am going. I am going. कुछ भी असंभव नहीं है. Nothing is impossible. Nothing is impossible. बर्बाद मत करो. Don't waste. Don't waste.